Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to Wargames and Cocktails 2.0. Today, I'll dedicate this episode to one of my favorite fandomes, Futurama, specifically the problem with poplars, which, according to Fishy Joe himself, this is not an issue.
Fishy Joe, is it wrong to eat intelligent animals?
Absolutely not, Linda. I don't think anyone's here to make that.
I hope you do enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't done so. And without further ado, let's get to work. Well, this is the building I'll be making today. I found it on the internet. I'll do half scratch, half printed, and thanks to the good people of Corvus Game Terrain who have these fantastic files, I'm going to adapt this particular file to my needs and adapt it to the building. So let's get to work. Well, we have this, we have floor level, balcony, and top level. So this is going to be like floor level, balcony, and then the top level to achieve something more or less like this. So let's get to work. Okay guys, I have to stop a second to explain the situation. I'm going to do something I learned today. It's called stippling or stipling. I think it's stippling. I learned from an artist called Sumikito. He's a great artist. He made fantastic works. So
blending techniques that is easy to do, is very fast, and can produce great results. In this video, you will learn what is stippling, how to stipple on your miniatures properly for those smooth transitions, and what are the advantages of using stippling over...
Well, anyway, I'm going to add a link to Sumikito on the description. You could learn a lot from him. He's a great artist. And I will try to do this stippling thing for the first time. I've never done it. Let's see how it goes. If it's good, good. If it doesn't, well, it doesn't. But keeping in mind that these miniatures are for a diorama and not for a golden demon, I think it will work just fine. So I'm going to try to do stippling today. Well, I hope you had enjoyed it. See you next time on War Games and Cocktails 2.0. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great week. Bye bye.